Imagine a world where the air is clean, the oceans are thriving, and the nature is in perfect balance. This is the world we have known for centuries. But today, this balance is under threat. The reason? Climate change. Climate change is the long term shift in global temperatures and weather patterns, primarily caused by human activities. Since the Industrial Revolution, we have been burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and even gas, releasing massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases, like carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat in the atmosphere, causing the Earth's temperature to rise significantly. In fact, the last decade was the warmest on record, and global temperatures are now about 1.1 degrees Celsius higher than pre industrial levels. The consequences of this warming are already here. We are seeing more frequent and intense extreme weather events. Hurricanes are stronger, wildfires are more destructive, and floods are more devastating. Communities around the world are suffering, such as the wildfires in Australia and USA. The impacts of climate change are undeniable. And it's not just the weather, the polar ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, causing sea levels to rise. Coastal cities are small islands, nations are at risk of being submerged. If we don't act now, millions of people could be displaced and entire ecosystems could disappear. Climate change isn't just an environmental issue, it's a human issue. It affects our food supply or our health and even our economy. Crops are failing due to unpredictable weather, heat waves are becoming deadly, and the cost of natural disasters is skyrocketing. The most vulnerable communities, those who contribute the least to climate change, are often the hardest hit. But there's hope. We have the tools and knowledge to fight climate change. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind powers are becoming more affordable and accessible. Reforestation and conservation efforts are restoring ecosystems, and innovations in technology are helping us reduce emissions. Countries, companies, and individuals are stepping up. The Paris Agreement, signed by nearly 200 countries, aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius. But we need to know more and faster. So, what can you do? Start by making small changes in your daily lives. Reduce your carbon footprints by using public transport and conserving energy. Support businesses and policies that prioritize sustainability, and most importantly, spread the word. Climate change is a global problem, but the situations start with us. Together, we can create a healthier, more sustainable future. The clock is ticking, but it's not too late. Let's take action today for ourselves, for future generations, and even for the planet we call home. If you want to understand about more tragedies like this, hit the like button, share it with your friends so they can quickly react towards this tragedy. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to know what are the impacts of tsunamis and how are they caused and how devastating can they be, check this video. And if you want to know about ozone holes, what can happen if they are diminished, check this video. Also, if you want to know about the invisible ocean right above us and its importance, check this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.